right, hey, this is Urban Amp.
It's Niji here.
We're up doing another Rooftop Ramble. We're actually looking out over the sort of southeast direction.
Yeah, southeast direction.
And, you know, today, today is, what's today, the 8th?
Going
right?
to be the...
Wow, this is really bad. This is the 8th. Okay, sorry, 8th. It's evening, about 6 p.m. And we just, we're noticing here that this storm is just doing some interesting things. So we wanted to comment on it real quick. We're actually taking some video right now. We'll probably play it all together. But yeah, so right now we're noticing a lot of really low-lying clouds just going right over the city. That seem to be moving fairly fast, and they're moving out toward the west, like straight out west over the coast.
It just seems like they're going like the wrong direction from what the storm is projecting it should be.
Yeah.
But we have to get our parameters correct, maybe. Yeah.
And I was watching a video by Plain Truth, which is like another one of those great channels, plaintruth.info, I think. But he was showing an image of the projected storm pattern over the northwest coast, and it looked like it was moving in from the northwest down to the southeast. So standing up here, we just noticed this huge cloud mass it's multi-layered. It's probably like 3 or 4 different layers of clouds, and they're all kind of going very fast and in a westerly direction. It's very weird looking, but I just wasn't expecting that, I guess.
But the height that we're at it's a little breezy, but it's
that's a good point too. It's not okay. Yeah,
like,
so the clouds are moving really fast, but we're up here, at the 6-story, 7-story, or whatever, and it's actually not that windy up here. It doesn't feel all that breezy.
Compared to what they're actually,
how fast the clouds are moving.
Yeah, it's not.
So something that I suspected is there's this strip of really low-lying clouds that they reminded me of something I'd seen before. I think on what's the ground-based? What's it called? Hold on. It's called Okay, so it looks to me that there's this small trail of clouds that are coming in from almost like one point, it looked to me like it was a ground-based point that everything was emanating from, and they were slowly rising up and like meeting the cloud mass. So that just reminded me of those ground-based. What is that word I'm looking for? Those ground-based cloud machines, essentially. I'd heard Weather War, I think 101, and Richie also mentioned a few times. Niji, you were just mentioning something that was a good, I think.
I was just wondering that there's a lot of planes flying around out here, and there's gaps.
A lot of activity, actually.
There's gaps in the clouds here, but I don't see any natural contrails,
like real contrails.
Like real contrails, like there. There should be some because it's cooler.
It seems like this would be
canopy.
the prime conditions, right? A cold front comes in, and you've got these hot engines, turbines. I think that's the situation that should be creating the actual contrails. Contrails, sorry. Yeah. So it's interesting that I'm not seeing
straight up. Look straight up. Look how fast that's moving right here.
This stuff is so low lying.
It's low, like.
Anyway. I'm sorry. We're just sitting here staring and not even saying anything. I don't know. This just it just feels like I kind of feel that electric ionizing. It's like, there's some electricity in the air. It feels kind of exciting in a way that's sort of like there's an impending something's going to happen. I hope the storm doesn't get crazy. Right now, it's actually not raining or sprinkling anything, but pretty much all day. It's been
All day, yeah.
raining, kind of not like a downpour, but like a steady rain, kind of all day. But we were like we weren't even sure that we get to do a rooftop ramble today.
No.
I ain't standing in the rain, bro.
It's been a while, but
yeah, man.
I think it's something we
been
just kind of point out. We're just going to kind of make this quick.
All right, so this is Urban Amp.
Should need you here.
Signing off. If anyone's out there listening, keep an eye on the skies, and thank you. Yeah. Peace.